I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can gain access to Lumion tutorial masterclass after your payment. This particular link will be sent to you on WhatsApp. So what you are going to do is you can right click on it. Okay, just open it in new tab. You are going to enter your email address here, then your name here, enter your surname here, then your WhatsApp number here, your gender here. If you are a male, just type M. If you are a female, just type F. Then click grant me access. I've paid. Ensure your internet is good and wait for it to load. Good. So now that you are here, you are going to tap on this button here. Gain access to Lumion tutorial masterclass here. Tap on it. Okay, so here now you are going to enter your name. The same email address that you entered that time is the same that you enter here, and your country here. Then click on create your account to have access. Just tap on this button and wait for it to load finish. Okay, so at this point, this page say you are almost done. Go to your email and create your password. So at this point, you are already registered, but you don't have a password yet. So you are going to go to your email inbox to create your own password. You are going to be the one to create your password by yourself. Okay, so now I am going to go to my email inbox. All right, so right now I am inside my email inbox, and here there is a message newly sent to me by Timothy Omatule. So I'm going to open this email and see what is there. You look at this. Congratulations team for possessing Lumion tutorial masterclass. Okay, so ensure you keep this message. This is the one you are going to be using to access the course, so keep it, don't delete it. If you like, you can copy all this to where you will always remember, but this is not the one we are going to use to set our password. So let's look for the one that we use to set our password. Let me click on spam folder, whether that one has been sent to spam folder. That one is not in the spam folder. Let me go back to let's go to promotion folder and see whether that one is in the promotion folder. Now, if you have checked the promotion folder, you didn't see that particular mail, you have checked all the folder, nothing like that mail to use in resetting your password. So you are going to go back to this particular email, this one that says congratulations for possessing the Lumion tutorial masterclass. You are going to tap on this first link here. So at this point, you are expected to log in with your password. You can tap on login here. You can also tap on login here. They are the same. So anyone is all right. So let's tap on this one. So you are going to enter your email address here and click forgot password. Then they will ask you to enter your email address. Enter your email address. Then click reset password. Go back to your email inbox. You now have a password reset link. Tap on it and click on this link so that you can reset your password. Type your password here. Okay, so type the password that you can easily remember here and repeat it. Make sure the password is strong enough, minimum of 8 characters. There should be a number, there should be capital letter, there should be small letter, and there should be special character like at, pound, percentage, and star, bracket. All those things are special character, so mix them up like that, minimum of 8 characters. And once the system have accepted it, click on change password. You can save your password if you are sure. Okay, now you are logging now. So to access the course, simply tap on open. This one is uploaded on Google Drive, so you have to download it before you watch it. So these are the videos under software installation. If you want to go to the next module, which is rendering and setup, click on this small arrow here. It will give you all the videos under rendering and setup. You can keep scrolling. Okay, then this one is 3D animation. You can click to open it, and you see all the videos under 3D animation. Okay, so if I open this one now, it will open that particular video up, and here you can watch it and download it to your computer. So this is how you can access Lumion tutorial masterclass and navigate around. I hope you understand what I've just done now. See you in the next video. Bye.